Ever wondered how much you need to have in your beforepay account to start enjoying its benefits? It's a great question, and one we'll answer in this video. Beforepay is a fantastic tool that can help you manage your finances more effectively. It allows you to access your salary early, giving you the flexibility to cover unexpected expenses or simply plan ahead. However, to start using this service, you'll need to meet a certain minimum balance requirement. The minimum balance requirement. So, what's the magic number? Well, the minimum balance required to activate your beforepay account can vary depending on your specific circumstances and the provider. Factors affecting the minimum balance. Several factors can influence the minimum balance you'll need. Your employer's partnership. Direct partnership. If your employer has a direct partnership with beforepay, the minimum balance requirement might be lower. Indirect partnership. If your employer doesn't have a direct partnership, you might need to meet a higher minimum balance to qualify. Your salary. Higher salary. Generally, individuals with higher salaries might have a higher minimum balance requirement. Lower salary. Those with lower salaries may have a lower minimum balance requirement. Beforepay provider. Different beforepay providers may have varying minimum balance requirements. How to check your minimum balance requirement. To get the most accurate information about the minimum balance you need, you can check your employer's HR portal. Your HR portal might have specific information about beforepay's minimum balance requirements for your organization. Contact your beforepay provider. Reach out to your beforepay provider directly. They can provide you with the exact minimum balance you need to activate your account. Additional tips for maximizing beforepay. While the minimum balance is important, there are other tips to maximize your beforepay experience. Set realistic expectations. Understand that beforepay is a tool to help you manage your finances, not a magic solution. Use it responsibly. Avoid over-reliance on beforepay. Use it wisely to cover unexpected expenses or to plan for future purchases. Stay informed. Keep up to date with any changes in beforepay's terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.